Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to install vmware in Kali Linux. All the site links in this video are given in the description box. You can copy and paste them from there. Open a browser here. I use the Firefox browser. Type vmware workstation in the search field, or you can copy the link from the description box and paste it in the search field. Click the first link. Press the download button. Here we need to create an account on the Broadcom site. I am already created a video. How to create an account on the Broadcom site. The video link in the description box. Watch that video and come back to this video. Enter your email ID and press the next button. Enter your password and press the sign in button. I am successfully signed in to the site. Check the top right corner. Your username will show up there. Click on the link here. Type vmware workstation pro in the search field, and press the show results button. Click there. Click there. Click there. Click there. Wait for the download to complete. Open your terminal. Type the command show on the screen. The command in this video will be given in the description box. Open the vmware. If you get an error like this after you open the vmware, press the install button. Enter your password and press OK button. Press the close button. Press the cancel button. Open your terminal. The command in this video will be given in the description box. Open the vmware. Enter your password and press OK button. Create a virtual machine by pressing the Create a New Virtual Machine icon. Press the Next button. Press the Next button. Here I changed the name. You can give it any name you like. Press the Next button. Press the Next button. Press the Finish button. If you get the error shown on the screen, it's because the kernel is not loading the module. Open your terminal. Type the command show on the screen. Press the Start button shown in the rectangle image. We solved the problem, but one thing is, every time you want to run the VM, you need to enter the commands again. I suggest creating a command in the bashrc or zsh or c file. The command will be shown on the screen. If the video helps you, Please consider subscribing and giving a like. Also, press the notification bell to get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Wish you a great day.